Emily, guess what? What? We're camping!
Emily!
Wait, we wanted to help you get over your fear of nature by bringing you to the wilderness. Look at those pretty dogs. What are they?
Mosquitoes.
What do they do?
They drink your blood.
Oh. Oh. Emily! It was only
Better go get her.
Maybe I took that a little too fast. Maybe we shouldn't have went hiking yet. Maybe I shouldn't have showed her the bunny or went fishing. I hate fishing. Does my hair look okay? It's fine, Emily. Okay, good. I'm not okay. Why'd you push me in? Well, you told me to get live bait. What else am I supposed to use?
Ow! My covers are gonna get so dirty after this. Leaves? Pine cones? It seems so familiar. I can't believe I ran off. I shouldn't have. I miss my friends. I shouldn't